wedding. Where,
It's not a meeting. It's a meeting, not a wedding. Are you serious?
What are you guys even talking about?
I have no clue. I was talking about this Triari clan meetup.
Oh,
And he completely
yeah,
said
they did
something
that.
different about a wedding.
No, they did that with Spud recently.
Oh yeah, I saw. I was there at the Spud one.
Were you?
Well, not in person, but in the TeamSpeak.
Ah.
Wish
Yeah, they did a meetup in New York, didn't they?
No, that was
just the
Triari.
news, right?
where are we
Well,
going?
that's what I mean. That was just the news, wasn't it?
Well, yeah.
Tier 9 again?
Yep, sounds good to me.
Maybe we could finally get each other this time.
Bender, then I'm gonna have to stop for a bit.
All right. Ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're ready.
3, 2, 1, battle. I'll have to stop the screen because I have a feeling I have a message from that Tiger player.
Stop
Oh,
the
yeah?
stream to message somebody. That's gonna be fun.
Oh, we get a good
interesting.
team.
Ooh, wow! Talk about the worst map possible for both
I
of
thought
us.
my commentary was nice.
Yeah.
Your commentary is just fine, Mastiff.
Oh no, his in-game commentary.
Oh, in-game comment. I have no idea what you're talking.
Exactly. You can watch it later.
Who knows? Who cares?
You want to go to the middle and try to get them before they come up?
Try.
I don't know what else to do.
Well, I mean, 2 Yag Tigers. Nice job, Wargaming.
Plus a 54.
We get the crap side.
A
Yeah.
46.
46
So we're-
ton. If it was a 54, I'd be terrified. But I do feel sorry for that
Mediums.
SU.
They're gonna own that hill, and we're gonna get rocked.
I do feel sorry for the SU-100 though. How the hell does a tier 6 get in a tier 9 game?
I don't know.
Is he platooned with a tier 7?
Yep, he is, which sucks for him.
Okay.
Should have known the consequences, but he has to suffer for.
Okay.
Guessing
Jag.
they're all just gonna camp at spawn? No. Oh, whoa, dude! I didn't even notice you moved all the way up there.
Yeah, I did.
Yep, and there they are.
Oh, hi.
And there goes our team.
Yag Tiger completely missed. I need this one hit. Kill.
How you doing?
Doing okay. I still got full health. Try and maneuver this guy. Nope, I just lost a bunch of health. There's another camping one.
Indian Panzers in back.
Gonna try and get this J Panther.
Yeah,
Backs
if you
up.
can.
He ain't gonna back up. I think he's yours.
Well, it's Indian that's around back too. That's doing a good job on me.
See, I have a great position here. This Yag Tiger cannot hit me.
Yep.
He's gonna be pissed.
Uh-huh. Oh. Oh, 46. Came up.
Oh, this poor Yag Tiger.
46 came up. 46 came up.
Oh, what?
Yeah,
Oh.
help.
Sorry. Oh,
That's okay, I got him.
never
I wasn't
mind.
sure
she
I
didn't need
was
help
going
after.
to be able to, but... You got him?
No, of course not. KV3 stole it.
That was a very good play, by the way. Good job.
Thank you.
I'm
I don't
gonna...
think I did that much damage.
Yes,
We got a guy behind us, Master.
it was you and I, and that was it.
Oh, okay, apparently I'm lying. Never mind.
Yeah, it was the two of us, and that was it.
What?
Everybody
Yep.
else was...
Did you
Wow.
bounce?
Yeah.
Hold on. How's your
But
match?
I'll be in a bit then.
Alright. Come on, guys, get that IS-8. Can do it.
My turret can turn fast enough.
User
Oh, wait, I
disconnected
forgot, this
from
isn't a
the channel.
delay. Never mind. You guys are running a double STI platoon? Jesus, that's not overpowered.
We like to have fun.
Yeah. Well, that if I ever have to see you guys, I'm gonna have trouble because now I'm running solo. IS-8's got some great maneuvers, but he's dead.
Hey, look. Our other teammate joined us.
Alright then. Wait.
I'm just gonna go sit on cap, Mastiff.
Yeah.
I'm only 5 kills away from 10,000. Just realized that. This $99.99 bundle so BS. I'm not spending $100 for a T-34 clown tank, a ripoff of the Ag-88. The only one in here that I really want is the T-34-85 Victory.
That takes a blast.
I know. I didn't buy one, but I want one. So what tier are we gonna play now?
Well, we're still in battle.
Oh, really? You guys finished. That IS-8.
No, there's an well, there's one more IS-8, but he's out running around, and I'm too slow to chase. I'm too lazy.
Okay. Really don't want to get it. There's just like not do it for you.
Hey, a win's a win.
Good game.
Yeah, Bender's here, Lone Star.
Anybody else in here? People are in here.
Just
Oh.
last quiet night.
Yeah. Okay, apparently Rommel is mute. Really fun.
I was watching the live stream while you guys were talking, so I didn't want it to be coming back to it. Because you can hear everything we say on the live stream.
Right.
Oh, yeah.
It's just in a delay, though.
Why does he
Yeah, a little bit of delay, yes.
Can I ask why Lone Star even cares that I'm probably in here?
I don't know. He said he recognized your voice. You have an admirer, Bender.
No, I do not have an admirer.
That makes me Ziggy, by the way, since his departure.
Nope.
I did. I've seen Ziggy plenty of times. He moved on to Predators.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I mean, I haven't seen him in like at least a couple weeks, but I mean, I know he's still out there.
Alright, tier 10.
So, however, I will say that I have not seen Trance even once.
Tier 10. Ready?
You guys can go do that one. I can. If you tune a platoon like that, I cannot do this one alone.
Alright, 3, 2, 1, battle.
I ain't got the courage. I'm just bad.
Wow, every single person on both sides are in clans.
Hmm.
Yep.
Want to go to the outside? Or you want to go to the right inside?
Yeah, let's go to the right inside.
So, okay, crossover or just stay in?
Oh, I stay in town. There's no... I don't see them running out there. They don't even have a medium. Thanks for bumping me. Say thank you. Yep, and they're all over to the left. That highest swordsman becoming first.
48 patents. Bad. Well, no, but oh, Lord. Oh my God, the focus fire is real.
Shot that. Alright, they're all turning around at us now.
Ow.
Oh, now campers are in the fray. Come on, game.
Alright, kill the IS-7.
What? Yeah, I'm switching to heat. Okay.
You mean you haven't been shooting it the whole time? What's wrong with you?
Well, I find
Oh my
I
God.
explore this. So yes, yeah, you don't actually have to.
Okay. You're good there, I assume?
What happens when you have a bad E3 and a 28 prototype player? They're just spending hours on the season.
Nice game. Nice, actually.